and jump in the eye. You can go in the eye or not? Alright, well, I'll catch you over there.
One minute later.
Bro, this shit came out of nowhere, bro. We ain't got none, baby. I'm sorry.
Young lady.
It did not look like it was gonna rain. It says it's gonna stop in 30 minutes.
What the hell are you doing? Put your ass out. What's wrong with you? It's bad.
This cloud literally just got us and nothing up top.
Well, vlog. I think we're gonna call it quits tonight because shit raining too much. Shit's not letting up. We're waiting here for like 30 minutes already at this flake ass gas station. And
Y'all say y'all didn't have any change to spare?
yeah,
No.
we ain't got no baby.
Y'all can't go to the ATM and help me out. I really need some help.
We trying to make it out of this rain. We on the bikes.
I get it.
Shit's not letting up, y'all. The streets is flooded right now. So I think it's better we just call it a night and I'll pop back out tomorrow. So should be a good Sunday ride tomorrow. So I think this is a sign that I should start getting into cars. Man, what the fuck, bro? Like half the year be like this. What I'm supposed to do? Sit around, do nothing? Obviously, you feel me? I'm gonna jump in the cars. I ain't gonna get a Hellcat or nothing, but give me some fire ride, you know, like some, you know. I'm thinking I'm fucking with the 330 right now, or the 340. Obviously the 340 better, but I'm trying to drop 50 on the car right now. But y'all let me know any suggestions. It could be anything, like any cars y'all fuck with, like cheap car, 5 to 10,000. It could be 20, 30, 50. I already know what I want. I'll get a 340. But or like I found a. Let me know if y'all think this is a good price. Probably like not probably. I found a M540, 2020. It's a 2024 M540. I think bro want 54K or 55. I feel like that's a good price. I don't know. And I think it's negotiable. But let me know what y'all think about that if y'all know about cars and shit. I don't know. Maybe it depends on the miles too. I think it got like, let's say 20K, because I don't know. Probably 20K miles. But it was low. So 20K, 2024, M540, 55K. Let me know what y'all think of that. I'm not saying I'm gonna go buy it, but let me know. Alright, there you go. God bless. Yeah.
We got to.
I don't know. Oh, this is a good light.
Yeah, which one you want? Which one you like more?
Like red, like the color.
We got 2 bikes. We got more than 1 girl.
No, because then they're going to be by this school. Who's going to drive the slowest?
Slower.
Yeah, who's going to drive the slowest?
We both professionals. We can't go wrong with either.
Okay, don't feel me. Yours is black. My dress is white.
Thank you. I got you. Alright, tell me how I look. You're gonna put your right foot here, and you're gonna swing your left foot all around to the other peg. And you gotta grab me like you love me, you heard?
Okay. Please don't drop me.
Now tell me how I look. Don't grab me under here. Right here.
Oh God.
That's it. There you go. Don't let the noise scare you.
Nah, I'm over there. Y'all should have rolled.
No. Okay.
But y'all scared?
Yes. Thank you. Dominique. Oh my God.
With my dog.
That's the vlog, y'all. I'm gonna call it quits. We're going home. Yeah, what am I gonna do? Good night.